What's up, guys? And today we are making a knife similar video part 1. I'm gonna make a part 2 pretty soon. Yeah, so you just go ham on these haters. Oh, my cousin's here. We made an earlier video. Make sure you go check them out. And I made a new intro video, like my cousin Michael the Gamer. Simple Bacon Man. Oh shit! The Bacon Man just killed me.
What did I tell you to not swear?
The Bacon Man just killed me.
I told you to not swear though.
Don't interrupt my videos.
You can't swear. You can delete your channel. I told you that already.
Oh my gosh, look at my face.
You're bad.
Yeah, I'm new to this.
Alright, I'm gonna join. You're not new to this game.
I'm bad at it, I said.
Oh.
I'm playing Roblox for 2 years.
What? Why?
I have been playing Roblox for 2 years, buddy.
No.
When you came, that was like 2015.
You are not playing it though. I made you an account on Roblox.
Yeah, but you didn't make Julian Juju 8.
It was in 2016. Only for a year you had it.
Yeah, and I used to. Yeah, but if you count all my years, that's 2 years.
No, it's only a year. Alright, join. Look at my knife. Join, look at this. I could shoot doubles. Want a team?
Sure. Okay, guys, we're gonna team my cousin.
Don't troll me again.
Let me just kill this guy right here.
Oh wait, that's
I'm the king.
No, Julian.
I was just the king.
Yeah. Yeah. Oh, I killed him.
Now you're the king.
No, I'm not. I'm not the king. What? I'm not. Oh no, the king is right there. Oh. Oh snap! I died. The king killed me.
Is it the Bacon Man?
No, it's not.
There's a Bacon Man that was the king.
Oh, I'm trying to kill the Bacon Man. Are you kidding me? Why am I so bad? Okay, there's the king.
Oh yes, I got the king.
You did?
Yeah.
Oh no, that guy's gonna kill him. Watch out.
Am I the king?
Yep.
Am I the king?
No. Ah, I died. Who's the king? Who's the king?
It was me. I killed the king.
Yeah, but now you're not anymore. Oh. I killed that dude. Oh. Jump. Oh, Julian, that guy's trying to kill you.
Oh, that's you.
Julian!
Yo, I thought there was someone else, I swear.
No, you already know me. I'm in the blue. I'm blue.
Oh,
Knife simulator.
Oh, the king's right there. King's right there.
What is this light?
Oh, come on. I keep dying.
Michael, do you know what this light is when I shake my hand?
No.
Look!
A snail polish.
No, it's not. I painted my nails, but what is this light on it?
Stop talking. You're disgusting.
How am I disgusting?
You keep talking about it.
Mommy did that. Mommy painted her nails, so basically you're calling Mommy disgusting.
Yeah. Oh, what? Are you kidding me?
You're basically calling Mommy disgusting.
Look
And
at
he's
me.
recording.
I'm recording video.
Oh, hi, guys.
Yeah, that's my cousin Kabal.
Seriously, Julian?
I'm gonna shoot from under this truck. Okay, I see a guy.
Bow.
I see the guy that killed me.
Bow. I'm shooting all the way up there. I can use ghosts.
Oh yes! Yes, I got the guy.
Are you kidding me?
Yeah, I got a guy.
I'm so bad at this game right now.
Do you even know how to throw the knife?
Yeah, I haven't played this game in a while.
Yeah, me too.
Oh no, that's me.
Oh!
That's me.
Oh, sorry.
Stop, it's me.
Okay, Michael, we have to huddle up.
Don't do it. Stop.
Okay, where's the other guy?
Stop.
I'm not gonna kill you, I promise. Who's the guy?
I don't know. Where's he at? Oh, nope, not there. I saw some. Oh, he's right there.
No, he killed me.
No! Oh, I'm about to die. Go! Are you kidding me? Why am I so bad at the game?
You're not bad at the game, yo.
I think I haven't even got a kill yet.
I got 32 kills.
I've got 331 kills.
Wow.
That's my boy. That's my boy. I'm gonna walk on this. Julian, look, I'm walking on this.
Oh yes, I killed him.
Julian, look!
Michael, you just distracted me. You can see my ugly head. This video has been long.
I can't see your ugly head.
Okay.
What? You said.
There's a bacon man. This bacon man is so good.
I know.
Oh my.
Yeah.
Oh shit! I just forgot that. You didn't.
Yeah.
Kill him, Michael. Kill him.
Oh yeah. Watch out. Watch out. Are you kidding me? Why did you kill me? Wait, I want to be like this. Watch out. Oh yeah. Watch out. Watch out.
My gosh.
Oh, yeah.
Keep dying.
Killed that dude. Yeah.
The bacon man.
Yeah.
The bacon man. I just killed the bacon man.
Yeah. Yes, killed that dude. No, John, that's me. That's me.
Okay, I know. Just gotta kill this bacon man.
I got him.
You should be the king. You should be the king.
Am I? Nope, I'm not. Oh no, that dude. Oh, I killed him.
Good.
No, no, Julian. I died.
Oh, oh.
Kill him, kill him. Did you get him? Oh, oh, I'm coming, I'm coming. Watch out, I'm throwing my knife at him. You see me throwing the knife?
I got him. I got him.
You did?
Yeah, I got him.
Alright, I'm here. Don't kill me. Oh, the king is right there. Yeah.
It's gonna get hard.
I got him! Oh my
You should be the
God.
king. You should be the king.
Nope, I'm still not. Oh, Julian, don't kill me. Oh,
Okay.
there's the king. Hiya! Hiya! Got him.
Good.
Am I the king? Nope, I'm not. Apparently.
Oh,
Apparently. And I just killed this dude. I just killed this guy. And I'm killing this guy. Nope, I can't kill him.
I just died.
Oh.
Oh, Michael, I
Oh.
see you.
I killed that. I also killed him.
I saw you, Michael.
Miriam just joined us.
Oh yeah, my cousin Miriam. Her name is Kebab Georges.
Miriam, Jesus. She hasn't even got a kill yet. Are you serious? I'm gonna kill her. No, I died!
Don't worry, Michael. I got
Oh,
you.
that guy killed her.
I hate this purple thing.
Bam. What purple thing?
There's a purple thing.
Oh, that guy's purple things.
Yeah.
Hiya.
Oh, under! Under, he's right there. He's right there.
Yeah.
I hate you. Look at my ugly face. Look at you. Missed it. You missed my beautiful.
No, I wanna get distracted.
Yo, where are
Yeah.
you?
I don't wanna get killed. Oh, okay, got him.
Yo, where are you? I
Yeah.
want to team up.
He's gonna kill me.
Oh, look at my face. Look at my face.
Yes, God. Don't distract me. I do not want to get distracted.
I see the king. I see the king.
Saying, yeah, yeah, oh. Yeah. I killed him. Johnny, don't kill me.
Oh, that's you?
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Got him.
There's a guy right here.
Oh my God, the purple dude just killed me.
Where is he?
He's behind you, I think.
He's over there. Oh. I hate this bacon dude. This bacon dude is so annoying. I'll fuck.
Second, one time. Alright, there. Oh my! How do they have so much good stints?
I don't know.
Alright, knife effects. No, knife abilities. What kind of knife ability can I get? I could get a supersonic. I want to get one.
Oh my,
Oh yeah, I
oh
have
my.
ghost equipped. I have money draw. Teleport.
Wait,
Explosives, knives. $8,000 for a triple. You know we can get a fidget spinner one? Fidget spinner knife?
I never knew that.
That's my boy. Yeah, here, look, fidget spinner.
Hey, what's up?
Hi. 2,000 for a Hollow's Edge. Alright. I'll say you 2,000. No. I'm trying to get that dude that has a couple things.
Look at my fire. Miriam's right here. I just killed Miriam. Look, that's her dead body.
Oh! Yo! Got him. Yo. Is that you, Julian?
Which one?
The fire one?
Yeah, that's me.
Alright. Oh, Bacon Man. Bacon Man. Did you just try to shoot me?
No, the Bacon Man. I hate the Bacon Man. So stupid. Hate you, Bacon Man. I killed the Bacon Man. No, Bacon Man. Why does he have good knives? He's a freaking Bacon Man.
Watch out.
Bacon.
Are you kidding?
Oh my! Look at my face.
Cool.
Okay, guys, we're gonna end the video there.
Nah, dude, let's play more.
Yeah, we're gonna play more after this video.
Alright, bye guys.
Bye.
Subscribe to me.